Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see where we can get low cost RC planes and drones related parts in India. So this is not the promotional video. So in this first website will be flyingmachines.in. So I will leave the link in description. You can follow that link and check this website. So this is the second page. There is a sale running on, so you can buy whatever items you want. So all are within the reasonable price, so you can buy things you want. So this is the second page. Here you can find APM and some battery straps, voltage checker and carbon fiber items like rods, tubes available here. And you can also see flight controller board. So whatever is available, it will show like add cart, so you can check those items. So let's check the first page. And yeah, you can see there are a variety of propellers available here, and prop savers and variety of propellers. So and you can also see motors also available in a good price. Okay, so this is the price, $399. You will get different motors like different kV motors, 200 and 2200 kV, 1000 kV motor, 1400 kV motor, like that. You can go through this every page, so you can find not only that sale items, you can check normal items also. Those items also you will get it for a reasonable price. And you can see this is the glider for 50 rupees, and you can see Depron sheets also available for a best price. You can see 109 rupees, 220. And you can see different capacity of LiPo batteries also available, Eagle brand LiPo batteries. So you can buy, this is actually a good price to buy things related to RC planes and drones. ES is also available, and transmitter, I think this is not in stock. Okay, so whatever is in stock, okay, you can check the sale thread, and also check the entire website. You can find different variety of items which are useful. Okay, so yeah, here you can see this transmitter. Yeah, this is really a good price compared to other websites. We'll check, let's see same thing in other website, what price you can get it. So yeah, you can go through this website and you can find various items which you can buy. See, gliders also available. Yeah, this is the glider and charger, and film also available, and ESCs not in stock, and frame also available. You can see here na quadcopter F450 frame that you can get it for 649. I think this is the best price to buy this frame. You can check it in other websites also. Compared to other websites, this is the low cost one. Okay, and other frames also available. If you are interested, you can buy those also. Okay, so let's check what else we have here. Yeah, these are the servo extensions and some gliders, some servos, GPS, standard servos also available for 109 rupees. Okay, yeah, this is the sale thread. So you can get different varieties of items for a reasonable price. You can go through that, and you can check a regular items also. Okay, so you can find different varieties of planes. Yeah, you can see aircraft and accessories, BLDC motors. Please check this website. So they are giving in a best price, and there is a sale also running. So within this sale date, you can buy whatever you like. Okay, they have a good collection of aeroplanes also. Okay, yeah, you can see different varieties of aeroplanes also available. I think we have already seen in the previous video. Okay, so you can go through this website and buy whatever you like to buy. Okay, this is our first website, flyingmachines.in. Okay, let's go to the second website. Our second website will be robo.in. So this website, I think I already shown in previous, but to get a good price RC related items, you can select this website. So here you can see drone related parts. You can go there, and yeah, if you click on this drone related parts, so you can see section wise. So whichever part you would like to buy, you can buy. So yeah, okay, so different variety of motors available for a good price. Yeah, even you will get the brushed motors also. Okay, if you are planning to make some micro quads and all, you can see. Yeah, gold motor you can see in a previous website it is like 399 like that, but the same motor you can get it for 351 rupees, but other motors are little expensive. Okay, you can compare in that way, like where you are getting a good price you can buy. Okay, I strongly suggest any one of the sites, you just check it, where you get a good price you can buy. Okay, so you can see now here you can see the variation in the motors, but they all are in same price, but here you can see a little bit of variation in the motors. Okay, so they have a good collection, so depend on your requirement. For the low cost you can check this website also. Okay, and you can check some ESCs also available. Okay, so there are brushed ESCs also available, that is 435 rupees. And yeah, okay, cost wise this website also offering some low cost items. Okay, so you can go through this, and yeah, okay, this is our second website, and you can check. Okay, so drone related accessories also, GPS, okay, LEDs. Okay, so all are reasonable price. Okay, so yeah, you can get a different varieties of propellers also for a low cost, something like this, 8 to 10 inches. You can see now here you will get a very less price propellers, 89 rupees, 84 rupees. This is really a good price, so you can check it. Okay, so I'm giving you the website, so you just check where you get a good price you can buy. Okay, so you can see here 99 rupees, 80 rupees like that. Okay, it's a very good website, you can get high quality products also. So you can see now 79 rupees you'll get a 2 propellers 10x45. so this is a really good website. Please go through this website and you can buy whatever you would like to buy for your RC plane or drone. Okay, so in this website you can also get batteries for best price. You can go here, there is a dedicated section here, so lithium batteries, you can go there and you can buy these orange lipo batteries for a better price. So all you will get it within less price. So you can see 2S batteries. Okay, you will get it within this price, and if you check it 3S. Okay, so 3S batteries also will get within reasonable price, and mainly you will get a high C rating batteries, so it is really good for racing drones and all. Okay, you can get it for a good price, you can see. Okay, so this is the dedicated section for the batteries. Whomever wants to buy a battery in a good price, you can purchase here. Okay, okay, this is our third website. So website name is electronicscomp.com. so I will leave the link in description. Okay, so this website also will give a low cost RC plane drone related parts. Let's see those things. You can go to this robotics section, so there you can see quadcopter and drone parts, so you can click on that. Okay, so here you can go through one by one, like you can see drone motors. Okay, yeah, you can see different varieties of motors also available. Okay, yeah, you can see this motor is 585 rupees and 759. Okay, so this you can see 335, but whatever prices they are showing here, this is without GST. With GST maybe additional 30 rupees like that extra will come, depend on the price. Okay, so this is like a 335 rupees. Okay, so these are the different kV motors, so whichever you like you can, it's a really good price to buy these motors. So yeah, okay, so same way you can see different varieties of ESCs available. Yeah, you can see here 655 rupees. These are like a standard Simon K ESCs. Okay, so you can buy any of these ESCs as per your requirement. and you can go to the second page, and you can also see some flight controllers. Yeah, you can see here. You see, if it is really worth, you can buy. Okay. Yeah, and you can also get some drone related parts like this. Yeah, so frames and all available here. See, this frame and all is available. Okay, and FPV related cameras also available here, you can buy. Okay, within your budget you can buy whatever is. Okay, so same way, like you can get some transmitter and receivers also available here. See, car related transmitter also available here. These are the receivers, 10 channels, 6 channels, and 6 channel receiver, and different transmitters. Okay, yeah, so as per your requirement you can buy. Okay, so these are the websites where you can buy RC drone and RC plane related parts in India. So regularly I will purchase these things. Regularly I will purchase items from these websites. That's why I'm making a video on this, so that it will be useful for whoever looking for a low cost RC plane or drone parts in India. Okay, so whenever you order any of this website, please check the terms and conditions related to returns. So just check how many days are there for returning object, and please check all the terms and conditions related to returns. Okay, so happy shopping. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please like this video and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.